guys, it's me, Shelpster. So today I'm going to be opening up this beautiful Wi-Fi Bluetooth frame that connects to your phone. It comes nice and bubble wrapped and packaged. Let's go ahead and cut it open. So to get the app that connects to the beautiful frame, you either can scan the QR code that comes in the manual, or you can just look up the app Frameo, and the app's right here. And all you gotta do is download it and open it and set up your profile. Once you get all signed up, it'll guide you right through. So you have to enter a code to add. And as you can see, you can choose your pictures. You can do pictures and video. This was me at the Little Mermaid ballet that I went to. It was beautiful. And we'll go ahead and turn this on. You can turn this on this back button right here. Alright, it's connected. Let's press next on the app. So we have to connect our frame. It's touchscreen. Go ahead and choose your language and press next. Connect to your Wi-Fi. So once you connect to your Wi-Fi, you can choose your time zone and the date. And use a 24-hour format. Download and install the update. Put in your full name and location. So you'll press on this add friend button and it'll pull up the code that you need to generate to enter into your phone here. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it real quick. So now I've got them connected. You can write a caption. It received this video. You can react to it, hide it, see your gallery. Go ahead and show the like, laugh, surprise, or sad. Go ahead and like. You can play it, adjust the volume. It's a very nice sound. You can mute it, and then you can click the notification up here. You can see all your settings. One photo was shared, we'll share another photo. You can select more if you click that and you go like this. You can select many photos and video. So if you back out of settings, exit out, you can scroll through and see everything. You can do slideshow. You can adjust how long you want the picture to show. And to power it off, you can just tap the screen, press this power button, you power off, restart, or sleep. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.